Hey guys, welcome back to Phone Tricks. In this video we'll learn how to change font of Poco M4 Pro 4G and 5G smartphone. Without a further ado, let's get started. First of all, we need to enter settings, then choose display from the list, then swipe up, then click font. It will navigate into the font store. You can see the lot of fonts available here. You can see it category wise also. Also you can search the font. So if you want to click and click search, you can search customized font from here. So I will search the Wars font. Then you need to click free and click apply. So in order to apply the font, you need to reboot the device. Then click reboot and wait for few seconds. It will reboot. Now you can see the new font is set successfully. So that's all guys. I hope this video is very useful to you. Like this video, hit thumbs up and do subscribe our channel for more interesting phone videos. Thank you.